This is a limited edition G-Shock GAE 2100GC 7A. It's a new G-Shock special color model that featuring two types of band and bezel. Casio is selling it for $2,000 and is a very good price in our opinion. But will this G-Shock be able to attract your attention furthermore? Let's check it out. Okay, hello and what's up everyone? Today we are very happy because finally the G-Shock GAE 2100GC7A that we have been waiting for has been hanging out on our desk. Okay, as usual, we always present and sell Casio watch products with official guarantees that are equipped with a 2-year smart chip warranty card. And in addition to the manual, this package also includes a small screwdriver to change the strap and bezel on this watch. As we mentioned earlier, this G-Shock also comes with additional cloth band and bezel. And you know what? You can always support us by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Casio officially introduced the G-Shock GAE 2100GC7A model in November 2021. Inspired by the winter snow scenes, this model comes with the default white color with a low DPI style pattern so that it looks unique and modern when viewed up close. The hour markers of these analog digital models are made of a clear resin to symbolize a snowflake. Sold at a price of $200, this limited edition model is quite in demand by many people. But we think what really makes this model very attractive is the addition of the olive green cloth band and bezel. This cloth band is very soft but obviously also very durable. Uniquely, Casio has designed the bezel with a very flexible resin material that makes the exchange process so much easier. Okay, before we begin this process, prepare all the spare band and bezel as well as the small screwdriver that is included in the purchase package. The first step we are going to do is to remove both sides of this white resin band from the lock. Luckily, this model also features an interchangeable system on the band and we just have to slide a small lever on the back. After we manage to remove both sides of the resin band, next we will remove the white bezel attached to the module. Locate the small hole on the back of this watch and insert the screwdriver vertically and then push it outward so that the bezel starts to open. Don't worry about the bezel breaking or cracking because Casio designed it with a flexible material. Once the sides begin to open, you can continue to slowly lift the sides until they are completely removed. Next, take the spare green bezel and look at the side that has the red Shock Resist logo on it. This is the part you need to fit into the new bezel first, then the side that got the small hole. Use the black screwdriver again to open the side of the bezel that isn't already on the dial. Do it slowly so that all sides of the bezel fit perfectly. Pay attention again so that there are no gaps or cavities that are still open, especially on the back of this G-Shock GAE 2100GC. The final step, of course, is to reassemble these two green cloth bands. Note that the side of the band that has a buckle must be positioned at the top or 12 o'clock direction of this watch. The watch band installation is also quite easy by sliding the lever on the back of the straps. Do it slowly so as not to scratch the bezel of this watch. And this is the new look of the G-Shock GAE 2100GC after skin changing using the green cloth band and bezel. It looks really cool and changes 100 degrees when compared to the previous white color. Of course, our favorite part is the green cloth band which gets a really great design. This is probably the best cloth band design we ever found on a G-Shock watch. Made of very soft fabric, this cloth band is also very flexible even though it feels quite thick. Obviously, in the future, we hope that Casio will return to present this type of cloth band on their standard G-Shock watches. The G-Shock GAE 2100GC with olive green color does look very different from most other G-Shock 2100 models. Of course, this color is still very rare in the market, especially since the G-Shock GAE 2100GC is a limited edition model. So if you are obsessed with the G-Shock, which is quite rare and hard to find in the market, this model can be the perfect choice. Not to mention that you can also change your appearance by changing the band and the bezel according to your mood at the time. And most importantly, with the use of a very strong cloth band, the service life of this watch will be even longer. Meanwhile, the standard white color of the G-Shock GAE 2100GC is also pretty cool for you to use at certain events. And uniquely, when viewed from afar, it looks like there are black spots all over this watch. But don't worry, because the black spots are actually a low DPI pattern that look very unique if you look closely. This color obviously can be your choice if you start to feel bored with the olive green color. And that's our review for this G-Shock GAE 2100GC7A model. This analog digital watch is very worth buying because the price is quite cheap and comes with the additional band and bezel. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to support our channel and see you on our next videos.